As the SK Pool project continues, they have hit the stage where the updates are becoming obvious as much of the behind-the-scenes work, such as the plumbing and electrical runs, are now underground and finished. Once the pool project is complete, it's set to be a point of pride for both the school and the community.
There's a whole lot of tradition of people who have taken swimming lessons here. The community uses this as an opportunity to get some exercise and some wellness. And then the school district component, whether it's swim classes or competitive activities with swim team and water polo, it's just a big part of our community, a big part of our district.
Since our last update, the HVAC air systems were successfully dropped in through a large hole in the roof.
You'll see new soft ducts that run through the pool to evenly distribute our new airflow throughout the pool, which will exchange the chlorinated air or the effects of the pool, so safer environment, cleaner, but also just more efficient than what we had before.
The hole used to move the HVAC systems has since been closed and the roof completed. Many parts of the backroom equipment and the pool's operational systems have been installed, such as the pool's new plumbing and chlorination system.
So we moved from a gas chlorine to a liquid chlorine. It's just safer for our pool staff to handle and treat the pool. And then updated with new supply and return inlets and outlets so that the pool's being filtered at a more efficient rate.
Besides pool climate and functionality, pool safety is also getting an upgrade.
Pool temp, usually we maintain that 80 degrees. It'll be more consistent with the new current design of the pool. But when you deal with our clarity of our pool, all new plaster, all new tile in the pool itself. So part of the visibility is also all new lights. So LED lights throughout the whole facility. Mostly you'll notice the biggest effect in the pool itself.
Much of the finish work has also begun. Sheetrock is up in the offices and tiling for the pool's water line has started. So far, the most notable of these has been the overhaul that's taking place in the locker rooms.
Yeah, currently locker rooms have new tile in the shower area as well as bathroom and the sink area. So that'll be all new tile, new paint, and then all new lockers. And then the big one for the locker room as well as the pool deck is you'll see all new epoxy floors, so you'll have the appropriate traction when walking around the pool to make it safer.
As spring work continues, the focus will continue to be on the pool's finish work. This includes the pool's tiles, installation of diving boards, starting blocks, and scoreboard. The finished pool will also feature a floating bulkhead that will eventually separate the shallow and deep ends.
It is a floating bulkhead, but it is pinned in place, so you'll have athletic side for our dive tank side, and then a shallow end that will be used for community use as well as classes and lessons.
It's been a long project, but the end is in sight. It won't be long before you can jump back in.
We plan to be open for the start of school and have a big event where we can invite the community down to really do a community opening.
Stay tuned for future updates as the construction draws to a close, and be looking for that community opening as we get into summer.